Namaste. Mutual funds are a popular investment choice in India, offering flexibility and potential for growth. Today, we'll decode some key terms you often hear: SIP, STP, and SWP. Let's dive in. First, we have SIP or Systematic Investment Plan. SIP allows you to invest a fixed amount regularly in a mutual fund scheme. It's like planting seeds every month to grow your money over time. SIPs are perfect for disciplined investing and benefit from rupee cost averaging. For example, if you invest 20,000 rupees every month in a mutual fund through SIP, over 10 years with an average annual return of 15%, your investment can grow to approximately 55 lakh rupees. This shows the power of compounding and regular investing. Next, we have STP or Systematic Transfer Plan. STP allows you to transfer a fixed amount from one mutual fund to another at regular intervals. The transfer can only be done within the same fund house, like moving from UTI Debt Fund to UTI Large Cap Fund. This is useful when you want to move your investment from an equity fund to a debt fund gradually, reducing risk. Suppose you have 1 lakh rupees in your equity fund. With STP, you can transfer 10,000 rupees every month to a debt fund within the same fund house. This helps in balancing risk and optimizing returns over time. Finally, we have SWP or Systematic Withdrawal Plan. SWP allows you to withdraw a fixed amount from your mutual fund investment at regular intervals. It's like getting a steady income from your investment, ideal for retirees. Imagine you have 10 lakh rupees in a mutual fund and you want to withdraw 20,000 rupees every month. With SWP, you can set this up, providing you with a regular income stream while the remaining investment continues to grow. So, whether it's SIP for disciplined investing, STP for strategic transfers, or SWP for regular income, mutual funds offer various plans to suit your financial goals. Visit Compounding Dreams to learn more and start your investment journey today. Happy investing, and may your dreams compound.